In this video, I will show you how to fix a monitor that randomly goes black. Start by checking the physical connection between your monitor and computer. Make sure the cables are securely plugged in and, if possible, try using a different cable to rule out a faulty one. Next, click on the search bar in Windows and type Change Screensaver. In the window that opens, set the screensaver to None, click Apply, and then click Change Power Settings at the bottom. On the right side of your selected power plan, click Change Plan Settings, and if your monitor is set to turn off after a period of inactivity, change that setting to Never and save your changes. Now, type Device Manager in the search bar and open it. Expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically to let Windows look for updates. However, sometimes better drivers are available through Windows Update or directly from your graphics card manufacturer's website. If you use a card from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, you can open their respective driver apps and manually check for updates. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date is important for stable performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.